Hi, and welcome to my channel. If you're looking to change your career, I'm going to tell you how to become a sterile processing technician in 6 to 9 months. So let's get into it. So, the first step we're going to take is visiting the Healthcare Sterile Processing Association, or the HSPA. Okay? Professionals Instrument to Patient Care. HSPA serves more than 48,000 members and certification holders worldwide. So let's scroll down. We're going to click on Become Certified. Become Certified. HSPA's certifications are industry recognized credentials. In 1971, HSPA began formal certification of sterile processing technicians to recognize individuals as having the necessary competence to perform their duties within the sterile processing environment. Let's scroll down. Application requirements. This basically gives you a background on sterile processing professionals. Patients rarely meet them, but they rely on them just the same. They count on technicians for clean, sterile, well functioning instruments. They count on them to allow best practices and stay ahead of the technology curve. Okay, so let's scroll down. How to apply for this certification. So, step one is you'll select a certification from this list. They have several certifications. For the purposes of this video, we're going to focus on the CRCST. The second step is prepare and apply. Ensure you are ready for the test. Study and review the policies and procedures. This includes becoming familiar with the following: the certification handbook, exam content outline for your selected certification, reference materials for the exam. Begin collecting the proper documentation as outlined in the eligibility requirements for each certification, including your hours of hands-on experience when applicable. Fill out and submit your application to HSPA. Once your application is submitted in full, please allow 3 to 4 weeks for processing. Then you will schedule to take the exam. Upon approval of your application, you will be emailed a letter with the instructions for scheduling your exam. HSPA exams are administered through prometric testing facilities and offered year round. This is pretty much Pearson. When scheduling your exam, schedule it online. You can take the exam online from your house or at a facility. It's up to you. So let's click the CRCST. Certified Registered Central Service Technician. Okay, let's scroll down. They also offer pilot exams. So here's the timeline. Okay, let's scroll down. Just tells you they're accredited. The initial eligibility requirements. This is very important for you. In addition to passing a certification exam, 400 hours of hands-on experience is required in order to obtain the CRCST status. To apply for the CRCST examination, you must satisfy the requirements of one of the following options. They have 2 pathways for you, so this is exciting. Full CRCST certification recommended. Provide 400 hours of hands-on experience during the previous 5 years preceding the application. First-hand experience is essential to supplement an individual's understanding of sterile processing knowledge and concepts to illustrate their practical use. The second pathway is provisional certification. Provide 400 hours of hands-on experience within 6 months of passing the certification exam, which means you can do the classwork and then you can take the exam and pass it, but you need those 400 hours. So if you rather go this pathway, you'll probably have to get a job in a hospital or in some type of facility and work those hours, but you've already passed the exam. So either way works. It just depends what you want. Okay, let's scroll down. So this tells you what the application resources are right here: certification handbook, exam content, reference material, online course, online application, and paper application. How to prepare. Hands-on experience. They give you the blueprint of how to prepare. Then the verification requirements. I will not read all of this to you. I will pause for you to read, but you can also come to this website. How to prepare, we just read that, and then the exam details. Right? So, okay, let's scroll down. You want to know the price of this, I'm sure. Apply today. Validate that you meet eligibility requirements detailed above. Required experience documentation. We already went through the required experience. Application fees. Initial exam is $140. That's it to get this certification. And I know the course work is through Purdue. So let's go to the education tab. Training courses, because that's what you're going to want. It's distance learning. You take it from your home or wherever you want. It's Purdue online training programs. Getting a certification from Purdue will look good on your resume. Okay, certified Central Service Technical Training right here. So we're going to click here, learn more, because basically we want to get to the price for you so you can see. So this is for somebody who passes the exam, doesn't have the 400 hours, they can apply for a 6-month extension. This is for the initial certification. Let's click there. Okay. So to take the course, it's $458 plus the $140 for the exam. That's by far the cheapest that I've seen. Everyone else is charging like $800, $900, $1,500. Okay. And this is from the actual accreditor. So I would go with this if I were you, but it's your choice. Now, let's just say you got the book from somebody else, right? Then you just take the course for $350, okay? And you don't have to pay the $458. That comes with the book. The book by itself is $60. So you have some options here. And here's the course description. Again, the refund policy, it explains everything to you. And pretty much that's the sterile processing online technical training for the certification. You want to change your career, you may want to look into this.